제육볶음 or Korean stir-fry. Master this dish and you've cracked the code to Korean home cooking, from technique to ingredients to seasoning. Because firstly, this sauce, or yangnyeom, is literally used in like half of all Korean dishes. And we've seen this before, but take notes. Just the same ratio of Korean chili powder, soy sauce, cooking wine, and minced garlic. 1:2 ratio of sugar and sesame oil, only a little bit of pepper, MSG, and gochujang, because these can all overpower the sauce. Then the Korean trinity: onion, scallions, and green chilies. Brown your pork, which in my case is thin pork belly, throw in the trinity, then the sauce, and when the garlic is cooked, that's it. You can substitute the pork with chicken, with seafood, with noodles, use it as a marinade, and save yourself about $25 from a K-Town takeaway. But strictly speaking, this is a saucy fricassee, not a proper stir-fry, which we can still do in a lousy low-heat gas stove like mine. Master this, and you've mastered the Korean stir-fry. By the way, my ring lights were broken when I shot this, so apologies for the new camera angle. First, upgrade your pork belly to 항정살, aka pork jowl. Unlike pork belly with the huge layers of fat, this cut has all the fat almost sewn into the muscle fibers like this. That's why Koreans also call this cut 천겹살 or thousand-layered meat. And all that intramuscular fat gives this almost a crispy texture when you bite into it, almost like a ripe stone fruit. I'll just make a cut through each piece so they cook more evenly. And I'll just throw these into my cold pan too. That way we can render out some of that lard out of them. Took me about 5 minutes until they start to brown, with about 1 tablespoon of lard in the pan. Pan is still hot, and we are pouring in 1 tablespoon of chili powder. Instead of just cooking out the chili in a sauce, we're frying it directly in the lard, which, yes, will burn in a flash, so put in your veggies and vigorously stir for just a minute. But only for a minute, and pour in a tablespoon of soy sauce, which, yes, should instantly sizzle away. But why? Because with the hood fan on and without a professional high-heat burner, we just made 불맛, or wok-hei, or that dragon breath aroma you get from a proper stir-fry. Caramelized soy sauce at the bottom. That's the secret. Now dump in a tablespoon of minced garlic, then the pork, and add sugar or salt if it needs it. A small pinch of MSG and pepper, a drizzle of sesame oil, and a Chinese trick, the tiniest drizzle of vinegar right before serving. No, it won't taste sour, but it'll give your stir-fry a je ne sais quoi aroma. Sprinkle some sesame seeds for pretty's sake, and realize how there isn't any sauce or oil pooling at the bottom, and that's because they're still locked inside of the ingredients. You see? No expensive wok, no burner. Alright, have fun, be safe.